Well, hello everybody. It's the 13th of July 2022. It's a lovely day. A little bit cooler than it has been, which is a bit more bearable. But I'm going on a little mini road trip, only about 10 miles away, over to a place called Morley. I'll say too much, but I'm going to meet up with someone who I think a few of you already know. So I'll see you in a bit. Right, so I've arrived in Morley, and guess who's here?
Oh!
It's only Marc from Blue Harvey
Hello there.
Toys. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go around Morley, going to have some of the charity shops, and he's got a new gadget he wants to try out. Well, we won't tell you what it's about, but we'll let you know in a bit. Okay, so we'll see you then.
Morley is a market town and a civil parish within the City of Leeds Metropolitan Borough in West Yorkshire and is the largest town in the Borough of Leeds. Morley is first mentioned in the Domesday Book in 1086 as Morlage, meaning an open ground by a moor. Television programmes, like Heartbeat and Emmerdale, have used its disused magistrates' court and a cobblestone street to one side in their sets. Morley annually holds one of the largest St George's Day parades in the country and has been named the most patriotic town in England. Morley Market has been a feature since the town was formed. The market building has a large trading hall split up into units, housing, butchers, fashion shops and a cafe. On the 21st of February 2010, a statue of Ernie Wise was erected outside Morley Post Office and was unveiled by his widow, Doreen Wise, who had performed in the old nearby cinema, just around from the post office, which is now a Wetherspoons. In 2011, the town and civil parish had populations of 44,440 and 27,738 respectively.
And there it is, it's a drone, but it's a bit windy. So, what mech is this?
The GGI
Yeah,
Mini SE.
right.
It's an updated Mini 1. It's got a Mini 2 body, and it's got most of the workings from the Mini 2. But it's not as powerful. It's half the price of Mini 2, even though it's just as good basically. Aircraft not connected.
Right, okay.
We'll connect in a minute. As you can see, this is what you'll see, what I'll see. You've also got to have your drone in line of sight. There we go.
Right.
Take-off permitted. We've got a map to show you where we are. You can get into that. Just going to do a pre-flight check. It's fine. It's into video mode. Video mode. Just to make sure. Right, so I'm just going to fly it about a bit. There's a lot of birds as well, which is not good. Birds seem to have got.
About to frighten them off.
Just make sure this lady. See, I can see. Down all there.
Oh, right, it's right there.
So if I went straight ahead now, I'd probably crash into it.
Yeah, that chimney.
But, tell you what, we're just going to creep forward pretty slowly. I just want to miss that. Just going to try and miss that. See, the wind's dragging it that way as well. But it's going to clear that. You see, it's look it a bit higher.
And how far? So how far can you go?
About 4 miles.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. It's
Go
quite
a bit,
impressive,
bit
is
higher
that?
so I can get the clock tower in. Get a bit closer to the clock tower. It's moving back a bit.
Right, I can see from here now, so. Right, so yeah, back from that little road trip in Morley. It's about 10 miles from me, so about half an hour run. And it was great to see Marc and going around the charity shops there, bit pricey, and seeing these little drone. I'm sort of tempted to get one myself. We'll see. Right, so I've just got a few things from the charity shops. First of all, it's a wireless IP camera, £7. I probably could get about 20, but I think I'm going to keep that and monitor where I park my car across the road, even though it's covered by other CCTV. Where I'm looking at, it's not. Then I got this, I think it was Kieran I was talking about, picking up Cotton Traders rugby shirts. So I picked this, it's Six Nations, Cotton Traders, Six Nations, and it was £3.99, so £4. Probably 20, maybe 25 if I'm lucky. And then just a couple of games, PlayStation 2, Standard, Grand Theft Auto 3. Just checking on comps, and bundles of these are still doing pretty well. Individually, not so good, but do a bundle. I think I've got a couple more, so I've just got that because I'm bundling it together. It was 99p. And then Prince of Persia, Warrior Within. Again, not much value, but it might go with a bundle of other stuff as well that I've got. And then, of course, if you saw me last video, I've tried a collection of Now albums, CD or vinyl or cassette or mini disc or VHS, whatever I can get. So we've got Now 80 and Now 81, and they're £1 each, which is a bit on the price side, but it does for my collection. So that's about it. So don't forget, smash that like button, hit that subscribe and hit that notification bell so the next time I do a video, it'll notify you I've done one. Right, so until next time, from me, Pete the Monkey Thrifter, I wish you a bye-bye.